Valentine. As you notice something. Oh, look at my hair! It's purple and pinkish. Anyways, this is just gonna be a quick little thing on what I use for my hair. I use Radiant Orchid by Ion, and it's one of my favorite hair dye that I've ever used, and I'm in love with it. And yeah, I don't really know what to say with this video because I really didn't plan on making a YouTube video today. I guess just to say that I'm probably gonna be doing 2 collab channels, maybe. Okay, I'm on 2 collab channels because I've already made my own, and I'm on a new collab channel, and then I'm starting life on the internet probably. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I can't wait to do it. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day. Stay strong, stay beautiful, stay you. This is me, Valentine, and I'm out.